Put the back-breaking work of tilling tough turf behind you and break ground with the dirty little secret of Great Gardens and Gardeners 24V TLR LTE 24-volt cordless tiller and cultivator from Sunjoe. Powered by Sunjoe's revolutionary Ion Plus lithium-ion technology, 24V TLR's 24-volt, 2-amp-hour battery provides up to 30 minutes of rechargeable runtime in the yard or wherever power is at a premium. The perfect power weeder, Sunjoe effortlessly slices away weeds and loosens compacted soil, allowing air and moisture to penetrate for healthier roots and plants. Till more in less time with the dual 6-inch rotary blades to cultivate an area up to 4.25 inches wide and 6 inches deep in seconds. 10 durable steel tilling tines per side easily dig down to turn over soil in tighter cramped quarters and between plants for maximum maneuverability, precision, and performance. Lightweight at just 6 pounds, 24V TLR features a telescopic pole, which extends up to 37 inches, and an adjustable auxiliary handle to take the pain and strain out of your toughest yard chores. Plus, every Sunjoe tiller cultivator is backed by our complete 2-year warranty for worry-free operation season after season. So always keep your yard looking its best with less stress. Go with Joe, 24V TLR LTE 24-volt cordless tiller plus cultivator from Sunjoe. Get equipped.